I admit it. I can see it in your eyes, and it's the one thing you're always seeking, and it's the one thing you just can't find. And all your life you've spent achieving and achieving, and now you wonder what's not right, and you're so wrapped up in succeeding and succeeding that you've forgotten to live your life. Well, it's time to face the madness, the bittersweet insane, and walk the road less traveled and see the world in gray. And it's time to find some wonder. I think it's time you go outside. It's in your mind. I assure you it's in your mind. Once again your words run thin, and time begins to just settle back in, and you're always seeking virtue, but you can't quite find the way. And the words for which you're looking, you don't know what to say. Well, it's time to face the madness, the bittersweet insane, and walk the road less traveled and see the world in gray. And it's time to find some wonder. I think it's time you go outside. It's in your mind. I assure you it's in your mind. All of your success and all the loveliness and peace and happiness, it's in your mind. It's in your mind. Oh, everything's changing. Everything's changing, everything's spinning away. But if you know yourself, if you trust yourself, just keep on digging, keep on digging, keep on digging. No.